All right, guys, big day today. The Exedy clutch is officially broken in. We have a little over 1,000 miles. So we are going to take this thing out and I am going to do a impressions video, pretty much a quick review on the Exedy Stage 1 clutch, guys. Be sure you guys like this video, helps me out with the channel. Drop your comments down below which clutch kit you are currently running in your Hondas, Acuras, or whatever car you drive. My baby little cheat sheet down here to basically touch on all the points that we're going to talk about today. So, alright, so let's get into it, guys. Rocking the Exedy Stage 1 racing kit right now. And I gotta tell you, part of me wanted to go OEM again. I was like, I want to go OEM just because that's what I'm used to. And I've had great luck with OEM, Exedy OEM clutches in the past, which I'll get to later in the video. So I was kind of set on that, but then I'm like thinking, because I have the turbo kit, obviously, so if I ever do decide to put that on, I'm gonna have to upgrade the clutch anyways. Why not go for a simple upgrade, something that might be able to handle, like, you know, decent power and etc. And that's where we are today. Straight out of the box, this clutch offers smooth, not aggressive engagement, and that's what I was worried about. I didn't want a clutch that was going to be a pain in traffic. I didn't want a clutch that was going to be like, if I didn't give it enough gas upon startup, it was going to stall out. I didn't want aggressive, like stage 4 type aggressiveness. It just takes the fun, kind of takes the fun out of the vehicle, driving out of the vehicle. The best way I can describe it as is it feels just like OEM. It literally feels similar to OEM in terms of shifting and engagement and just feel, all in all feel, guys. It's like buttery shifts. It's like effortless, buttery smooth shifting. I have my clutch engagement point, which I think is a little, it's not directly off the floor, it's about probably halfway. Yeah, it feels perfect, guys. Next thing I want to talk about is how affordable this clutch is, guys. The affordability comes into effect, obviously, in my cases, because obviously I like to have fun with cars, but I also like to get things, you know, like on a budget, and try to save money where I can. So price range for this clutch, I think, is about, I paid, I think, like $350 for it or whatnot, which to me is not bad at all, guys. $350. OEM is like, I think, almost 200 bucks. So can't complain. Yeah, $350 does not break the bank, which is perfect for me, guys. So for the price you get, the torque that it handles is actually pretty good too. So I think this is rated for, like, I think I'm not sure, I think like 250 or 280 foot-pounds of torque. So it can handle a fair amount of power, obviously. Last thing I want to talk about here is quality and the reviews, guys. Like, that feels so good. So good. All right, we gonna turn, or what do we? In terms of reviews and quality, we'll just say that I've had numerous, I think I've had like 2 or 3 Exedy clutches before this one, and those were OEM, and literally I put 80K on one and I put 50K on the other one. Great feel, smooth, butter, precise shifts, and they gave me 0 issues. I think the only problem I had one time was when the throwout bearing at 80K, their throwout bearings are not the greatest. So I think what happened was it snapped on one of the ends. It just snapped off. Ooh, there's a 350Z for sale. You guys can't really see, but I read nothing but great reviews on this thing. That's part of the reason what made me want to buy this clutch is all the reviews seem great. For example, people were talking about like how it can handle boost. Like, people have ran it with boost and turbo kits, and I'm like, damn, that's pretty impressive. I think I like 350 horsepower. And then people were talking about how they bring it to the track and all this, and how they beat the ever-living crap out of it, and it literally still runs down the road like 40, 50K later. I don't know about you guys, but those reviews to me are ultimate like buying points. If I read something that I know is going to last, I'm all for it pretty much. I know for a fact this clutch can handle bolt-ons, 0 issues. They also, the reviews stated that it feels like OEM, which is huge to me, guys. I'm a huge fan of OEM, especially with these cars. Like, I just love the way the OEM clutch feels. It's just buttery smooth. It makes the car so much fun to drive. One of the reasons I bought this car is for the transmission, guys. The clutch just feels amazing. 6-speed tranny paired with a good clutch, you're gonna have a really fun time. But those are my reasons why I bought the Exedy Stage 1 clutch. I hope I can help you guys before purchasing your product. If you're looking into this video is not paid or sponsored or anything like that, and just being like transparent with you guys. Make sure you guys like, drop all your comments down below, and click subscribe to help out the channel, guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out. This car feels good. This car definitely feels good. We are about to end this little vlog with a nice car wash, guys. I try to keep this thing mint, keep the paint clean, and just keep this thing covered, because the cleaner I keep this car, the more value it will be worth, you know, down the road and stuff. Look at that mean, look at that STI right there, if you guys could see. And in terms of clutch engagement, guys, don't mind. I've been doing this weird thing where I drive with no shoes on now. So, I don't know, it's very comfortable for me. But in terms of clutch engagement, let me see if I can do this properly here. So, clutch engages, yeah, like midway.